Umashomera ashatu TV West shiremo muri Kyenjojo tushangire ngo abera hariyaga abana tubakozere bigezo kandi bakuru b'amashomeraga batumanye sangwa aba barwire bari yahabitanda.
This year 2023 we registered 77 candidates. Out of the 77 candidates we had 76 turning up for exams. Unfortunately, the one who missed had fallen sick. She was unable to come and begin the exams today.
In the morning there was a heavy downpour, but we managed to move to collect exams and deliver them. So we began on time, shortly after 9, like 10 minutes, and we completed also quite well.
Aha bakora abantu ho bihirire bakatugambira ikiro kumanyiso mwana kugwa naro butakore bigezo byoga umwaka.
We mwaka gwe tusembiyeyo mu nteekateeka y'ebyenjigiriza mu nsoma gye tuyita enkadde old curriculum. Kiba kitegeeza nti omwana oyo ne bw'aba agudde ekibuuzo ekimu talina mukisa kukiddamu oba ne bw'aba tabadde graded talina mukisa gwa kuddamu mwaka. Alina okuddayo emabega mu kibiina ekisooka n'atandika nga abasomesa bamuwa ebibuuzo era bamuteekateeka ku nsoma empya.
Tuli basire na tiimu yange ku monitoringa amasomero okulora mulingo ebizaamu biri basire kandi mu Kyenjojo nkusiima nti so far so good. Akuba tuli basire mu masomero nkaana kandi twasanga nti turn up yaba candidates hakutandika kukola ebigezo bya senior yakana kukuli batakurungi.
Abantu bagira ngo ekitongore cy'ebigezo cya UNEB cine kurugayo n'enteekateeka y'omutanira abasa batarabase kukora ebigezo by'ombwire okwenda ngo batakaferwa emyaka yabe na yona.
And unfortunately this will be the last examinations under the old curriculum. I would like to propose, if it is possible, government makes any intervention to ensure that UNEB makes arrangements for students who might have missed this year or who might not be able to do these exams well and have opportunity to repeat.
Okurugera Ministry y'Ubwegese umwana uragwe bigezo bya senior yakana takiine mugisha ubwo garuka mu cyakana shana yagaruka mu senior yo kubanza gasha kwa Daniel Bingana.